Welcome to Eindhoven, a city known for its innovative design and technological advancements. This Dutch gem is not just a hub for creativity and innovation, but also a city steeped in rich history and vibrant culture. We'll be exploring a few iconic locations that truly embody Eindhoven's spirit: the Van Abbemuseum, a modern art museum that challenges your perceptions; Strijp-S, a creative and cultural heartland; and the Philips Museum, a testament to Eindhoven's technological prowess. Prepare to delve into the dynamic city of Eindhoven, where history meets innovation. First stop, the Van Abbemuseum, a must-visit for art enthusiasts. This museum is a treasure trove of modern and contemporary art, housing an exquisite collection that spans the 20th and 21st centuries. From Picasso to Kandinsky, the museum's artwork is a visual feast that's sure to captivate any art lover's heart. But the Van Abbemuseum isn't just about the art inside. The building itself is an architectural marvel that adds to the overall aesthetic experience. Its modern design, with its sleek lines and bold shapes, is a work of art in its own right. Beyond its collection and architecture, the Van Abbemuseum plays a vital role in Eindhoven's vibrant cultural scene. Through its rotating exhibitions, it provides a platform for both established and emerging artists, fostering creativity and innovation. So whether you're an art aficionado or simply a curious traveler, the Van Abbemuseum offers an enriching experience. The Van Abbemuseum, where art and architecture collide. Next, explore Strijp-S, the creative heart of Eindhoven. Once a Philips factory complex, this area has undergone an incredible metamorphosis. The once industrial buildings now play host to a thriving hub of creativity, teeming with shops, cafes, and studios. The transformation of Strijp-S is a story of innovation and vision. Here, the old and new mesh seamlessly, creating a space that's buzzing with energy and ideas. The district's past is not forgotten but celebrated, with the factory's original elements beautifully blended into the modern design. No visit to Strijp-S would be complete without mentioning its role in the annual Dutch Design Week. This event sees the area burst into life, showcasing the best of local and international design. The spirit of creativity is palpable as the district becomes a platform for artists, designers, and innovators. Strijp-S, a testament to Eindhoven's innovative spirit. Discover the Philips Museum, a journey through the history of a technological giant. Nestled in the heart of Eindhoven, this museum offers a captivating chronicle of Philips's evolution, from its humble beginnings as a small light bulb manufacturer to its current status as a global electronics powerhouse. As you meander through the museum, you'll encounter a rich tapestry of exhibits, each one a testament to the technological leaps and bounds made by this iconic company. Marvel at the first incandescent lamps, admire the vintage radios and televisions, and witness the progression into modern-day electronics and health technology. What sets this museum apart is its interactive elements. Get hands-on with exhibits that allow you to experience the technology firsthand, giving you a unique glimpse into the past and a compelling vision of the future. The Philips Museum, where technology tells a tale. Experience the story of innovation and ingenuity that continues to shape our world today. Experience Eindhoven's bustling food scene, a gastronomic delight. This city is a melting pot of flavors, where you can savor the best of Dutch classics and international cuisine. Indulge in the hearty stampot, a traditional dish of mashed potatoes mixed with vegetables and served with a smoked sausage. Or try the bitterballen, crispy on the outside and filled with a gooey meat ragu on the inside. Eindhoven is not just about the classics. Its diverse range of restaurants and food markets cater to every palate. From Michelin-starred establishments serving exquisite creations to bustling food markets offering a smorgasbord of world cuisines, Eindhoven has it all. The city's multicultural population has heavily influenced its food scene. Flavors from all corners of the globe have found their way into Eindhoven's kitchens, creating a unique culinary landscape that's both diverse and exciting. Eindhoven's food scene, where every bite tells a story. Escape to nature in Eindhoven's beautiful parks and green spaces. This city, known for its innovative design and technology, also holds a deep commitment to preserving and promoting green spaces. These oases of calm amidst the urban hustle and bustle offer a delightful contrast and a chance for residents and visitors to reconnect with nature. Take, for instance, the Stadswandel Park. This verdant retreat right in the heart of the city is a haven of tranquility, With its picturesque ponds, beautiful sculptures and lush foliage, it's a place where you can relax, take a leisurely stroll, or even indulge in a picnic. Then there's Parken, a sprawling green area that's more than just a park. It's a hub for outdoor activities with sports facilities, a biological farm, and even a prehistoric village. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who loves the outdoors, there's something for you here. Eindhoven's green spaces, where the city meets nature. Experience the vibrant nightlife of Eindhoven, where the city comes alive after dark. As the sun sets, Eindhoven transforms into a playground for night owls, pulsating with energy and excitement. The city boasts an eclectic mix of bars, clubs, and music venues, each with its own unique vibe and charm. From the cozy, laid-back pubs serving locally brewed beers to the high-energy dance clubs pulsating with the latest electronic music, there's something for every taste. And let's not forget the live music venues where you can catch performances from both local and international artists spanning a wide range of genres. Eindhoven's nightlife is further enriched by the city's large student population. Their youthful energy and zest for life breathe life into the city, influencing its late-night scene with an infectious, vibrant spirit. So whether you're looking for a relaxed evening or a night of dancing, Eindhoven has you covered. Eindhoven's nightlife, where the rhythm of the city beats. Eindhoven, a city that seamlessly blends history, innovation, and culture. Our journey today has taken us through the remarkable Abbemuseum, a treasure trove of modern and contemporary art. We've traversed the trendy and innovative Strijp-S, a testament to Eindhoven's continuous evolution. We've stepped back in time at the Philips Museum, diving into the city's industrial roots. We've also tantalized our taste buds with Eindhoven's vibrant food scene, a delightful blend of local and international cuisines. We've been captivated by the city's natural beauty, from its lush parks to its tranquil ponds. And finally, we've experienced the city's exhilarating nightlife, full of energy, music, and the warm camaraderie of its residents. Eindhoven's unique appeal lies in its ability to offer something for everyone. History buffs, foodies, nature lovers, and night owls alike can find their slice of heaven here. But the city's charm extends beyond its attractions. It's in the welcoming smiles of the locals, the innovative spirit that permeates the city, and the sense of belonging that you feel as soon as you step foot within its borders. We've only scratched the surface of what Eindhoven has to offer. There's so much more to discover and explore. So whether you're looking for a quick getaway or a long vacation, Eindhoven is a destination worth considering. Eindhoven, a city that leaves a lasting impression. Experience it for yourself.